Okay, here's the plan today. This is the original spot. This Japanese maple. We don't know how long it's been here. Way before we moved here, but it needs to be moved. We were going to expanding this deck out at some point in the future. So this beautiful Japanese maple here on April 5th is going to be moved. Here we go, front of our house. This is where we're going to be moving our Japanese maple too, and it's going to have a little brother that's already existing right there, and we're going to be moving it right to here is the plan. So I had moved a bush from here earlier, so I think this is going to be a good spot for it right here on our front patio. More to follow. Get this out of here. Something's holding it up. Okay then, let's bring out the big gun. Yeah, it's definitely on that side. Come on, baby. Almost done. Let's see if I can not fall off. Okay. Definitely got a big root under there somewhere that I gotta cut. There we go. And there's one. Okay. We're gonna get dirty now. And there's one. Got a big one right there. Okay, that's the big one right there, guys. I think that's it. See you later. Yep, there's the road. Okay, let's get the loppers. That's it. Look at that, guys. It's almost out. Where are we missing? There we go. Now there's a big one right there. Okay, I think that's going to be it. It's coming now. Oh, right there. Last one. Okay. That was cool. All right, there's a new home. Yeah, I think the hole's good size. Yep. Okay, here we are, over 10 days later, and here is the transplanted Japanese maple that I moved. And I would say it looks okay. There's his sibling that didn't get transplanted, much fuller, but this one, still has grown a lot of leaves since we moved it. Check out the video from before and you will see. So I think this was a successful transplant, and anyway, wanted to show the before and after. And hey, if anybody's doing this, it does work. Early spring, and there's my cat. Hello, Sylvie. Anyway, thanks for watching.